and saw off just for the pretense that there was that kind of break-in. It's pure speculation. Maybe I should not bother you, but it's not beyond the realm of possibility, not with everything that happened here. Please continue, General. Thank you,
General, do you just want to explain the part about the alarm was also not maintained?
Yeah, the importance of that, Commissioners, is that during that time we were suffering of load shedding. So it meant that after a series of load shedding, the alarm, when the electricity came back, would not automatically reset. It had to be done manually.
And what is the relevance of that insofar as the theft is concerned, that's 6, 7, and 8? Was there load shedding?
There was indeed load shedding during that period, Commissioners.
Thank you, General. General, then if you can deal with paragraph 61, which I think 61 and 62, which you say is for you one of very strong indicators of these events being by design. Can you just deal with 61?
It is of concern that 4 months after the seizure, the cocaine had not been transferred to FSL. As stated earlier, the exhibits must be transferred to FSL immediately, but not later than 7 working days in exceptional circumstances. Colonel Jacob indicated that he was informed by FSL that there was no space for the exhibits. This seems to be a regular occurrence. In the other seizures referred to earlier, the reason for non-compliance with the 7-day period appears to also be that FSL has no capacity to receive the exhibits.
General, can I just take you back to that last sentence in paragraph 60? The alarm was also not maintained. I understood you to say because of load shedding, whenever power came back on, it had to be reset.
Yes, it does not automatically reset, so it had to be reset. So it tells us, Commissioner, that even the battery backup systems were in all probability not fully functional anymore.
And whose failing would it have been to make sure that that doesn't happen, that the alarm is reset, the battery is always functioning in that center?
Well, Commissioner, I believe that the problem emerged subsequent to the